What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This your boy Jay Reed for Jay Reed's Love of Cars. So today seems like a pretty good day. Today is still kind of cold, but it's not that cold. And I feel like I need to take the old Corvette out for a spin. Make sure the E85 keeps running through the system, because you don't want to let your car sit too long with E85. And who knows, I may come back and pull the Civic out too. It's not supposed to rain for a while, so that's always good. We may pull them all out today, make a few runs on the streets, see what's up. Who never knows? Some may go a little fishing, I don't know. But let's get in the car, get it started up, do what we do so we can get to going. Let's do a cold start. You know what I'm saying? Today is a good day for a little old cold start. But it is pretty loud, that is for sure. We'll let it warm up a little bit more for a little bit before we start beating on it for a little bit. I almost forgot, before I start beating on the car, I always like to make sure that I got enough meth in there, and I hadn't checked it in a while. Should have it, for the simple fact that my windshield wiper light, fuel fluid light, hadn't came on. But better safe than sorry. Yeah, this traffic is pretty heavy today. Seems like lately it's always heavy. You gotta go way out. And they ain't going out that far. The fast lane is moving pretty good. But yeah, I don't know. That was tremendous. So there's a Challenger, Charger, or something on the side of me. I was hoping he was gonna do something, but I don't think he want to do nothing. Oh yeah, we got a winner, folks. We got one. We got one. We got one. Let's take it there then, buddy. Let's take it there, buddy. I think we got one, folks. Not even remotely enough. All right, we're gonna turn back around now. This street is getting kind of wet, and I'm pretty sure I proved my point. Now that was fun. This diesel is throwing water up on my windshield. This truck is, but that was fun. That was fun. I can go home now because I got what I came for. I just came out to do a little fishing. I really hope this camera picked up all of that. I really did, because if it didn't, I'm gonna be irritated. I didn't get it 60 to 130, which I could possibly do on this street, but I don't think I am, because I think I've done enough. We are back at the house. That little trick cost me a quarter tank of gas. That's tremendous. Now obviously I knew I was gonna beat him. He didn't have enough. He would have had to have a lot in that heavy ass car, but it was fun. It was fun. Like I said, it cost me a quarter of a tank of gas though, but it's all good. It's all good. I accomplished what I set out to do. Went a little fishing, found someone to take the bait. Man, boy, was it fun. I know people like to say go to the track, and the track is cool, but it ain't nothing like a good rip on a tollway. There's never hardly any traffic. It's just really, really fun. Now, you know, because there was a little water once I went under a couple of bridges, got my car dirty. Look at that back, dirty, dirty, dirty. So I may have to wash it. Man, it was clean before that, but oh well. All right, this wind is blowing. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe. This your boy. Peace.